The re-emergence of polio in the UK is just the latest troubling sign that the world is headed for a perfect storm of new and existing viruses raging through the population. With a string of infectious diseases hitting the United Kingdom in the last 6 months, experts have warned Britain of the possibility of new pandemic being called Disease X, asking it to strengthen its preparations. The warning by health experts come in wake of the polio virus being detected in sewage samples in parts of London last week for the first time in 40 years. The authorities have not found any cases of polio which causes paralysis in children. The UK Health Security Agency said that the risk was low because of high vaccination coverage. As per the medical experts, we are living through a new pandemic area, adding that the disease X could be just around the corner. According to experts, Britain could see influenza and measles among the new diseases to surge through the arrival of the next disease X is almost impossible to predict. Now, let's talk about what exactly is disease X. The WHO came up with the term Disease X 3 years ago to explain a hypothetical, not known yet pathogen that could cause an epidemic in the future. In short, the X in Disease X stands for everything that is not known. According to the WHO, Disease X represents the knowledge that a serious international epidemic could be caused by a pathogen currently unknown to cause human disease. In 2021, the UN Health Agency warned that the next pandemic could be on the scale of the Black Death, which had claimed approximately 75 million lives between 1346 and 1353. Professor Mark Woolhouse of Infectious Disease Epidemiology at the University of Edinburgh said that the early 21st century had been a perfect storm for the emerging infectious diseases and everything is pointing towards the likelihood of more outbreaks. Scientists have earlier said that next pandemic could be caused by zoonotic diseases that are caused by animals passing infections on to humans. And one unfortunate possibility that have predicted is that the COVID-19 and other recent pandemics might have been milder versions of what will eventually be the most prominent disease X.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.